Today we are going to start with the topic linear equation in two variables. ये 10 state board का topic है. So let me first explain it to you what is the difference between variable and coefficient. This is one term. Okay. If I am writing 2x, एक नंबर है और एक अल्फाबेट है, मैं इसे एक टर्म कंसीडर कर रही हूँ. But in this term there are two factors. One is alphabet, that is your variable, and the other one is a number, that is coefficient. अब हम देख रहे हैं कि लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स है. इसका मतलब हमें इस चैप्टर में दो वेरिएबल्स के साथ में काम करना है. ओके, सो हियर इज वन वेरिएबल एंड हियर इज योर अनदर वेरिएबल. इट्स गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 2. दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 2. अब जब हम ये सम सॉल्व करते हैं तो सम सॉल्व करने के दो मेथड्स हैं. One method is substitution method and one method is elimination method. Elimination method से पहले हम इस सम को स्टार्ट करते हैं. Kiddos, pay attention now. Whenever you have got two terms, हमें ये देखना है कि हम या तो x के टर्म को सेम करें या तो हम y के टर्म को सेम करें. सेम करने का मतलब ये है कि if you have 3y over here, I should get 3y over here also, so that it becomes easy for me to cancel one term. एक टर्म कैंसिल कर लेने से हमें एक टर्म जिसमें एक वेरिएबल है that is x या y हमें मिल जाएगा and then we will be able to smoothly solve our sum. Now our first step would be multiplying equation number 2 by the number by 3. Okay, the number 3. So now this becomes my equation number 3. ठीक है. Now see here, this is 3y and this is 3y. Have we equalized the term? Yes. So now it becomes easy for us to eliminate one of the term. So what we will do is, यहाँ पे कभी भी साइन देखना है आपको. If this is opposite sign, this is minus, this is plus, तो it can be easily cancelled. जब भी opposite sign होगी, you have to add both the equations. Then what I will do is, if this is opposite sign, this automatically gets cancelled. 9 plus 5 कितना होता है बच्चों? This becomes 14x is equals to 8 plus 6 is again 14. So what I will get the value of x is equals to this 14. यहाँ पे ये हमारा 14x के साथ में multiplication form है. When this 14 comes from left hand side to the right hand side, this sign changes and this becomes division. Okay, so now 14 cancel. You will get the value of x as 1. Clear? So now what we will do is, we will substitute this value of x in any of the equation. जो भी equation easy है वो equation हमें लेना है. This one is easiest equation. So what I will do is substituting the value of x in equation number 2. Okay, let's do this. So now I'll write here 3x plus y is equals to 2. Wherever I have x, I will put the value of x. So now this becomes 3 multiplied by 1 plus y is equals to 2. This becomes 3 plus y is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2 and this 3 comes here minus 3. ये यहाँ पे plus form में है, ये side आके ये minus form हो जाएगा. Then this y is equals to minus 1. This is your answer. So in the last we will write x comma y in brace brackets is equals to, we will write 1 comma minus 1. This is your final answer. Then comes our substitution method. अब substitution method में हमें इन दोनों इक्वेशन में से किसी भी एक इक्वेशन को सिंगल टर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. in this equation if you see, with the variable we have coefficients, but in this equation we don't have coefficient here. So what I will do, I will try to find out y. So let us write the equation number 2. अभी अगर मुझे y term find out करना है तो what I will do is y will stay in its place is equals to this 3x from left hand side. When I bring it to the right hand side, it will change its sign. So 2 remains here minus 3x. Okay, so अभी मुझे y का वैल्यू मिल गया है. This is my equation number 3. Put Roman numbers. Okay. Now what I will do, I will substitute the value of y in equation. What I will do, 5x minus 3, instead of y, I will write the value of y, that is 2 minus 3x is equals to 8. Okay. In this term, here what we will do is, we will do a short jump and a long jump. This remains 5x minus 3 2s are 6, minus minus becomes plus, 3 3s are 9x is equals to 8. I hope till here it is clear, students. Then we will bring like terms at one side and the unlike terms at the other side. 5x plus 9x is equals to 8. This minus 6 will go to the right hand side. It will change its sign. It becomes plus 6. What will be the answer? Tell me, students. This becomes 14x and this is again 14. Now x is equals to, when this 14 will come to the right hand side, what it will do? It will change its sign from multiplication. It becomes division. Sign cancel होने के बाद what we will get the answer? We will get the answer as 1. Now we have got the value of x. Again we will do the same thing, substituting the value of x in any of the equation. I will take the equation number 2 because this is easy. In equation number 2, don't forget to put the Roman numbers. b x की जगह हमें x का value डालना है, that is 1 plus y is equals to 2. 3 1s are 3 plus y is equals to 2. y remain in its place. And then 3 left hand side से right hand side जब जाएगा तो sign change हो जाएगी. This becomes minus 1. So solution set आपको क्या मिलता है? You will get the solution set as 1, minus 1. And here we end the sum.